Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel and to my second video on Entre Institute. So just a quick review again about what is Entre Institute. So Entre Institute is an online training company that focuses on teaching how you can create a successful online business from scratch. So after I joined Entre, I was happy to see that they offer a very comprehensive training program that is not a one-size-fits-all. So as soon as I joined, I realized that I had made the right choice to join this program. As you probably saw in my first video, if you watched the first video, I had already failed several times in the past and spent a lot of money and a lot of my time trying to make money online, trying to build a successful business, and I failed big time. So once I joined Entre, I found a new path and a new way to build a successful business. So that's great. So where things start? So everything starts with the Entre Blueprint. So what is Entre Blueprint? It's a 6-step video program where you will learn the 3 most lucrative online business models today and how to use what you learn to launch your own business from the ground up. In my case, as I said on video 1, I decided to go ahead with only one of the business models to start. So my choice was based on my business and personal goals, and also what I believed would be more enjoyable for me, because in the end of the day, we want to do something that is going to make us happy, bring us pleasure, make us feel good. Of course, all of that with the money that comes with the business, right? So one of my intentions with this video is to give you a really overview of what Entre is, because when I joined the program, of course, I joined blind, right? I watched a video on Facebook. I heard what Jeff had to say on that video, and then I jumped in and I said, okay, let me do this. It really is it's not a big investment. So let me just try this one more time. I joined blind and I'm happy that I did, but I don't want you to have to go through it. I want you to give you a chance of learning a little bit more about Entre before you actually make the decision. If you have heard of it and you are on the fence now and you're not sure if you should go with it, should go for it or not. So this is one of my main goals with this video. So like I said, everything starts with the Entre Blueprint, with the 6 lessons, and this Entre Blueprint really gives you a framework of what you can do with an online business, and kind of direct you to these 3 possibilities that you can pick from based on your choice, based on what you think is most it fits you the best, right? So after you join Entre Blueprint, then you gain access to Untraditional. So Untraditional is a Facebook group where that is accessible for all members, and it really is a community where I was and I am, because I go there every day, able to interact with other Entre members, as well as the trainers and the course creators, and even Jeff. So Jeff is on Untraditional all the time. He records, he has live sections. He also posts a lot of great information, great resources for anyone that wants to learn more about not just what he's doing, but about options, things that we should be doing to not just grow professionally, but also personally. So it really is a great source of information, great source of support that I found and that I use every day in this journey. And then once you join and you go over Entre Blueprint, and of course you keep accessing Untraditional, you go then to Untraditional. So on Untraditional, you actually it's a more advanced training, right? So like I said, the Entre Blueprint is a framework, but on Untraditional, you have the option of going in more details, deeply, like in more depth, on 3 business models that they introduce you to on Entre Blueprint. So on Untraditional, you have very detailed lessons about how you can build this online business in these different business models. You can go with all 3 of them, and like I said, what I did was I only picked one because based on the time that I have to work on it, I thought that for me was what was most suitable for me was to go with only one. But in all means, you can go with 2, you can go with 3. It really is up to you, up to your goals and how much time you have to invest. And of course, there is a financial investment too, so you have to take that in consideration. But I picked one, and I'm very happy with what I decided to go with. So after you go through Untraditional, you also have the option of joining Entre Coaching. And I have to say that I joined, and at the time I wasn't sure if I would, but I'm very happy with my decision to go with, because with Entre Coaching, it's such a personal, you have a much personal interaction, not just with your coach, but also with members of the group that is doing the same, that is going through the same path that you're going. So let's go over the details. So Entre Coaching, so it offers weekly group coaching sessions where the group goes over several topics that are crucial for creating and also running a successful online business. What I like the most about the group sessions is that I can learn not just from the coach that is running the session, as well as from the rest of the group. So we can always learn from what other people are going through. And one thing that I think it's very helpful is that no question is a stupid question. So you can go to the sessions knowing that you can ask anything, really. You don't need to be embarrassed by any questions, anything that you are wondering about, or things that you're questioning, or that you're stuck at and you need support. So this is really an amazing session. It's a weekly session, and I have been taking advantage of those sessions, and I really look forward to the sessions. Because it's such an amazing interaction with the coach, and also with the rest of the group, that it really is a good, exchange of information and knowledge. And then, besides the group coaching sessions, you also have every other week, you have a one-to-one session with your coach. So this is when you go, it's all about you, it's all about what you're focusing on, what are your goals, what do you need feedback on, and I really appreciate the sessions. I would say that almost as much as I appreciate the group sessions. These are really 2 different approaches, and when I have my one-on-one, it really is like, okay, what are you doing? Let's look at it. Let's look at your pages. Let's look at your posts. Let's see what you need to improve. What do I need more help with? So it really is like a hands-on, one-to-one interaction where I can go over any questions really I have. Anything that I am wondering if I'm doing right or not, if I'm stuck with, if I'm just not right, if I'm approaching it in the right way, I can have the answer right there. And another thing that I appreciate very much about Entre coaching is that I am not limited to the group coaching sessions and to my one-on-one sessions. I have access to my coach all the time. So I know that I can reach out to him through Skype and he's going to answer my questions right away. I can have small calls with him if I really need something and I can't wait until the next week to go through it. So I know that I can reach out to him at any time. And that's so important. Because I feel like I have all the freedom and I am never stuck. And one of the things that I know, was one of my downfalls in the past was that I felt stuck and I didn't know how to get out of that, right? Because I didn't have anybody helping me out, anybody giving me the support. With Entre coaching, that doesn't happen, right? That really doesn't happen. You have all the support you need. I'm honest. I'm being 100% honest here. This is not about me making money or anything like that. I'm being really honest with you. Entre coaching and actually all the steps inside of Entre Institute. This is what you need to really reach your goals. If you ever wondered if it was possible to make money online, I'm here to tell you it is. And Entre Institute is the way to go. It really is a wonderful group of people that are working with you to make sure that you're going to reach your goals, that you're going to get where you want to be. Of course, you need to keep in mind that you need to work, right? This is not a make money online overnight kind of deal. Okay? So this is, you put the work in and you get the results out. This is it. Okay? So I put a link to Entre Blueprint below this video. If you feel like after this video you feel like, okay, now I know a little bit more about Entre and I feel like it is for me. So just go to the video, just go to the link, take a look, check it out one more time and take the jump. You never be 100% sure if something is good for you or not. And this, one of the things that I really appreciate, about Entre too, and is that you have the option, if you go with Entre Blueprint and within the 30 days, you say, you know what, this is not for me, I thought this was different, I don't want to go, I don't want to move forward, I'm not happy with what they're offering, you just can't get your money back. So like I said, there is a link below this video if you want to check it out one more time, see if it is for you or not. If you decide to go in, maybe I'll see you on Untraditional. And if not, I want to wish you the best of luck in your online journey. And stay healthy, stay safe, be good guys. Alright, thanks, bye.